Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Today we will discuss the Achilles tendonitis or tendinosis. Achilles tendon is your tendon that will attach the bottom of your calf to the top of your heel. This is very common in runners, in those who are so much in workout activities, or mountain climbers also have this. So it is common, and in that you will get a quite amount of swelling or inflammation is there. Okay, when in initially 2 weeks it is Achilles tendonitis. Okay, it is inflammation, but when it beyond that 2 weeks, then it become a scar tissue is formed there and it become Achilles tendinosis. Okay, so today I am going to tell you the quick stretches and exercises to get relieved from this pain and get your calf strengthened. So let's get started. Our first exercises, we will start with deep friction massage to your Achilles tendon. For that you can sit like this, okay, and prefer to with it a stretch. So you will do your foot in dorsiflexion, or you can press it with your other hand, and here with the other hand just grasp it and do this motion. So you are doing the deep friction massage here, back and forth and upward and downward, back and forth and upward and downward. It will help in relieving the inflammation and it will help in relieving from your symptoms. Okay, so do it like this. Perform it daily for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the next exercise is ankle pumps. For that, sit like this and make your bottom free. Okay, then you just need to do full stretch toward yourself and then out. So you will do it as fast as you can. Increase your pace like this. Sit straight and do these ankle pumps like this. Okay, it will help in increasing the mobility and flexibility in your Achilles tendon, in your calf muscle. Fine. So repeat it for 30 to 40 times, or you can increase with time. Okay, the next exercise is we are going to do with foam rolling. If you don't have, then you can use a bottle. Okay, for this what you need to do, see if this calf and this Achilles tendon is hurting. So for initially just place it like this and perform it with this motion. Fine, perform it like this. Okay, then cross it over and do it like this. You will get a very good amount of release here. Okay, you will get so much relief in your calf. Initially maybe you feel a little bit pain, but it's fine, and release it like this. Okay, the next exercise is heel raise, standing heel raise like this. Okay, full raise and down, full raise and down. Then slowly you can increase the standing time. You can hold it here for 10 seconds and then go back. Okay, then in progression you can walk forward, backward and side to side. Okay, the next exercise is calf stretch. As you know, in calf we have two muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus. Soleus is the deeper one. So I am going to show you the stretches for both muscles. Okay, for that put your hands like this. See, this is the pain one. Okay, pain one side. So like this, hold it and go forward. Make sure that your heel is on the ground. Don't lift it up, otherwise you will not going to feel any stretch in that. So hold it for at least 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 times. You will feel a very good amount of stretch from here to your bottom. Okay, and make sure your knee is straight. So like this, and hold it and then relax and repeat for 3 times. The next one is for the soleus. You want to stretch the soleus muscle, the deeper one. For that, same position but a little bit closer, the back leg. Then come forward and unlock that knee is this time, okay? Unlock it and then stretch, okay? Then you will feel a good amount of stretch deep down here in your Achilles, okay? So, stretch, unlock your knee and push forward. Very nice, you will feel a good amount of stretch. Hold it for 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 times. Now, the next exercise is heel raise on stair. So, take a position like this and go down, pull down, and up. Okay, it will provide a full range of motion here. Okay, and a good amount of resistance also. So, do it like this. Now, the next exercise is heel raise on the staircase, but it is now, this time it is eccentric, because eccentric are the exercises that your muscle get more and more benefited. Okay, and they will, they are really hard according to the normal muscle, but they will be very benefited in this case. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, same position, go up. See, my right foot, my right leg is that where I am getting this hard. Then get rid of your left side and with control, get your calf in the eccentric motion and get it down, up. Then again, full up, get rid of your left, and then with a control motion, go down, very fine, come up. I'm showing you one more time, up, get rid of your other leg, and slowly come down. So this will help in building your calf muscle very well. These exercises I hope will benefit you. So these are the stretches and exercises for your Achilles tendonitis and tendinosis. If it hurts more, then you can go for to visit your physical therapist. And okay, fine, let's see you in next video.